The next one is comprehension type question. Benzylic acid rearrangement. So the question is on rearrangement involves base catalyzed reaction of a diketone to a salt of 2-hydroxy carboxylic acid. That is the benzylic acid rearrangement which takes place on diketones in the presence of base catalyst to give hydroxy carboxylic acid. This reaction cannot be used for 1,2-diketones containing alpha methylene group because of competing aldol condensation. So not completing. So that is the comprehension given. Then what are the questions? Question 1 is, what is the product of the following reaction? Here we have a diketone and its base OH minus, which will be regenerated at the end of the reaction. Therefore it's a base catalyst. So what will be the final product of the reaction? That is benzylic acid rearrangement product is what? So here the answer works out to be B. But what is the reason for B to be the answer? So therefore when we see the mechanism by which this reaction goes, we find this is C6H5, C double bond O, C double bond O, a diketone with phenyl group, and OH minus attack. This OH minus attack, it's a symmetrical compound, it can attack at any position. So this carbonyl carbon will be attacked and electromeric effect takes place to give in the first step as pi C double bond O C OH pi CO minus. And now this will come back and the phenyl group will shift to this carbonyl carbon. Once again electromeric effect. This is the change that takes place, resulting in pi CO minus and another phi here. And it is C double bond O OH. Now this H plus will shift to this O minus to give carboxylate ion. As carboxylate ion is more stable, thereby the rearrangement takes place to give this becomes OH and this becomes C double bond O minus. So the corresponding salt, and this is benzylic acid rearrangement as given in the comprehension 2-hydroxy carboxylic acid. So the corresponding 2-hydroxy carboxylate. In the presence of water, this will become carboxylic acid. OH minus will be given out and therefore it is base catalyzed rearrangement. And now when we go back and see the answers for B, here we have taken the rearrangement for the general benzene. And in the question what will happen is that this group will be migrated to this. This will become COO minus. So therefore from the mechanism discussed, this will remain same and say this will become OH and this will be migrated and this will become C double bond O minus. From the mechanism which we have discussed, this is the product for this reaction. So that is nothing but B. Therefore, the answer is B.